Let's talk supplements. Now let's face it, we're all after a quick fix. We'd all love to get to our goal as quickly as possible, and supplements can be a great way of helping you maximize your performance, but they are a supplement to add on to your diet, not something to chuck your money at and think it's a magic pill that's going to fix everything. It's a very confusing world full of wizardry and potions and magical pixie dust, but does any of this shit actually work? Let me explain with my top 5 supplements that I think you should be taking. Number 1, fish oil. You are 60, 70 years old, you suddenly feel that things are aching, things are creaking a little bit, and you think, I need to start looking after my body and taking some fish oil. The problem with that is you've done damage, like running your car without oil, all the damage has already been done. So therefore, my best advice to you is to start taking some kind of fish oil now. While you're young, you're fit, you're healthy. And hell, if you're not young, fit and healthy, start taking it anyway, because it's going to start cushioning your joints and improving your heart health. Fish oil has about a 6-week loading phase, so to be fair, you'll start taking it and nothing will happen for about 6 weeks, and then it will become efficient. So you have to be consistent with taking these little fuckers every day. Number 2, multivitamin. Now, in recent studies, 95% of the population were found to have a vitamin deficient diet. So therefore, why not help bump up your vitamins and minerals by just popping a little pill each morning? Yeah, sure, is it ideal? Of course not. It's better to eat loads of salad and veg, but we all live busy lives, and therefore it's very, very important to supplement your diet with something that actually improves your health. Numero 3, creatine. Now, proven to be one of the few supplements that actually makes a difference to your athletic performance in the gym. So lifters, this one is for you. If you're looking to increase how much you can lift and how long you can lift it for, then creatine needs to be in your diet. My best advice is to pop over to examine.com, tap in creatine, have a little read for yourselves. You'll see what I mean. Cat food, no, I'm kidding. Protein. Now you can have protein powder, protein bars, pretty much they're sticking protein in everything these days. I've even got protein bread in my freezer. However, I will always implore you to get as much protein as you can from your diet, from the foods that you consume before you start taking shakes or anything like that. There's nothing magical in a protein shake. It's purely there to help increase your protein consumption per day. So if you've tried everything with your diet, particularly vegetarians, and you honestly find you can't get enough protein from your diet alone, introduce a protein supplement. But if you find that, you know what, you're getting enough from the foods that you eat, from the meat, the fish and the dairy, don't worry about increasing it. And that leads me finally onto number 5. Food. Food. All of these supplements and this shit costs money. And do you know where you should invest that money instead? Food. Next time you're in Tesco's, spend a little bit more and buy the 5% mince instead of the normal Tesco's value one. You're going to decrease your calorie content, you're going to decrease your fat content, and you're going to increase your protein content. Focus on buying some good quality cuts of meat. Get the grass-fed steak, you know, get some fucking steak in the first place. Stop worrying about buying the cheapest food sources you can find. Stop worrying about trying to find a quick fix and just buy some damn food. If you're going to invest bang for your buck in any area, it's going to be what you're actually consuming, your weekly food shop. Stop buying shit, spend a little bit more money and get the better quality food sources. But get those food sources in the first place. I see enough people complaining about not losing weight and complaining about their diet being shit because they're spending all of their money on takeaways and shit fast food. Go and buy some decent quality food, and that is the top of my list. And there we go, folks, another top 5 video. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. Do, as always, click this lovely little share button down here so your friends can get some good tips from this too. Don't forget to give the page a like, and I'll see you on the next video. Happy eating.